How to delete Telegram downloaded video. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Telegram and then click on the search icon at the top right of the screen. Once you're here, click on downloads from the menu list. And here you will find all of the downloaded videos on your Telegram app. So in order for you to delete one of these videos, all what you need to do is click and hold on it, and a menu list will appear at the top, from which you want to click on the trash icon at the top right of the screen, and it will give you a confirmation box that says, do you want to remove this item from downloads? And it tells you that removed files will be deleted from your disk, but they will remain accessible in the cloud, meaning they will only be removed from your phone or something like that, but they will still be in the app, and you can access them anytime you want. So there's no need to worry. Once you are okay with that, click on delete, and the video will be deleted. Say, for example, you want to delete multiple ones, just click and hold on one of them and then select them, and then do the same thing. Click on the trash icon and then click on delete. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete Telegram downloaded videos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.